This is Amani. You can call me Niella Mani. Okay, 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 okay. Guys, aren't you feeling this hair? Like, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and we are back with another video, guys. So today's video, just as the title says, it's another video with Jeanette's collection. So this time around, they sent me their wigs, and I'm going to be showing you guys here on my channel. I'm going to be unboxing, and I'm going to be doing a first impression / review of this hair. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Niella, and I create content around beauty, hair, lifestyle, documenting my life as a new immigrant in Canada. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell so you get notified anytime I put up a new video on my channel. So guys, let us get into this hair review. So guys, it sent the package in a pink bag, just like the last one they did, and I'm just going to quickly open this. I have a knife here. So they sent their Natural Me lace wig, 100% premium fiber, and this is in Jenna. This is in Jenna 99J, and the second one here is in Amani, and it's also 99J. Amani in 99J as well. Guys, which one should I use? So they also sent, like, it comes with this cute pink comb, and it says, "Hey gorgeous, thank you for taking our time to review our product. We hope this product will make you feel and look more beautiful, sis. Even more beautiful. Slay, sis. XOXO Jeanette collection." And he also has their social media, handles here. So guys, this is the Natural Me lace wig. It's 100% premium fiber, and so it's like a natural hair wig. So it says it's natural hairline, natural yaki texture. So I don't know which one. I'm going to be trying the two for you guys so that you tell me the one I am going to wear for. So it pretty much comes this way, and this is how it comes in. It actually feels like it's, a natural hair, and it comes with a lace. Let me just get this out of the bag for you. I'm just going to get this out, and this as well. So guys, it comes in a lace, and it's ear to ear. Wow, that's really awesome. And it has like combs inside the wig, and it also has a comb close to the lace. I think this is supposed to help, make the lace stay firm. And can you guys see how natural the pattern looks? Guys, see, it's a natural hair wig. Oh my god. So I'm just going to take off this label. So this is Jenna. So this is Jenna. Let's pop this on, guys. In addition to the combs, there's a comb at the back and there's a comb in front. So they're like two combs close to the lace. And there's just one behind. And in addition to it, there is like a little elastic, behind it. So I'm going to be popping on this wig. Ooh, it's so comfortable. Oh my god, guys, can you see what I am seeing here? Can you see how natural the line, oh guys, can you see how natural the hairline is? Wow. Jenna, and I'm just going to be popping the second one for you guys, so you tell me which one you prefer and which one I should rock for my birthday. Okay, so it's super comfortable, it's not too tight, and it fits my head perfectly. I don't know if you guys can see all the way to the back, so it covered both the front close to my edges. Can you guys see? Even if I try to pull it forward, I still have a lot of space. So I'm just going to be taking this out. It's super comfortable, guys. And let's open AMANI. Guys, I'm so excited. The same way the Jenna was packaged, with the foam and the paper inside. So they kind of look, the colors kind of look alike, but I think the AMANI is like a shorter version of the Jenna. Okay, so I'm not really a fan of center part, so I'm going to be taking this to the side, guys. Ooh, I'm loving this AMANI. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a little trim just on the side, just to make it, oh, I just put it, oh my god, this hair is so soft. It's super soft, and can you see how natural the hairline is? I would also be using, so this is, I decided to take Jenna to the side so that you guys can see how it looks like. Like I said, I'm not a fan of center parts. I feel it doesn't really fit my face, but side parts. But I think my favorite has to be AMANI. I love the both of them, but I think AMANI gives me this, you know, this vibe. So I'm going to quickly pop on AMANI. I'm going to be cutting off the lace, and I'm going to just using my concealer just to bleach the center and try to make sure it's natural as possible. And I'm going to get back to you guys. So guys, I already popped on the wig, and this is what it's looking like at the center. This is AMANI. I'm going to be heating my flat iron just a tiny bit, and I'm just going to be putting this in the middle just to make it flatter. Please do not overheat your flat iron, just low to medium heat. One thing I like about this hair is that you can do little or nothing to the hair and it still works. So I don't want to put like my got2b glue, because I'm going to be yanking this wig off after I am done with my shoot. I'll probably just, you know, wear it and see. I'm trying to puff out the curls. I told myself I was going to trim it down just like to give it an asymmetrical kind of look, but looking at it on my camera, I think the center part still works, give or take. I don't know what you guys think, even if I'm not a center part girl, but I think the center part still works, and I'm still kind of running my fingers through it. So I'm just going to just get like a little mousse. Okay, 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 okay. Guys, aren't you feeling this hair? Like, so I just had to trim it a little bit here, so just in case I could turn it. You see, like, it's so natural. Can you see? Even if I don't want to do like baby hair, but this is AMANI. You can call me Niella Mani. And this is Jenna in all its glory. And I think because it's long, I think it's going to work better if it's a center part. What do you guys think? I think it's going to work better if it's a center part than if it's a side part. If it's going to be a side part, it means I'm going to have to just, you know, layer and trim it off. But I think it's better off being a center part. But you guys could tell me, what do you think? Niella Jenna. I swear, Janet's collection needs to come and take all of my money, because this hair is super soft and you can easily run your fingers through it. You can easily run your fingers through it. And this is like a natural hair wig, yeah, with natural lace. Guys, can you just see this? Please use medium heat, low to medium heat. Don't use high heat so you don't end up ruining your natural hair wig. Guys, this hair is soft, I'm not going to lie, and like I said, my favorite is the AMANI wig, and the Jenna is also nice. I love how long and, you know, and how it makes me look, even looking on camera, and I think it looks better if I wear it on the center part. But this Jenna, I think I like it, you know, being at the side part. You guys can notice I kind of trim out, you know, lots of hair, which I'm still going to do much later, but I'm going to be leaving this way. Thank you so much, Janet's Collection, for sending me this wig. Ha, guys. Hey, una never see anything. No, this hair, I'm going to be rocking it for the next 50 videos. So just in case you see this hair on this channel, you guys hold your comments to yourself about this hair, because you guys ain't seen nothing yet. This hair is gonna be in your face tomorrow, next week, next month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like to order this wig, I'm sure there are various ways you can buy Janet's Collection hair, and you can order directly from any website. I'm going to be leaving the site I know that carries, you know, Janet's Collection hair. And I'm also going to, and I think you can buy this hair or this wig in your local beauty store. So look out in your local beauty store, or whenever you go to your local beauty store to buy, you know, hair supplies or makeup, look out for this hair. I'm sure you're going to find it. Or you buy on Amazon. I'm going to also try to leave the link, but just like I did the last time, I'm going to leave the same links in the description box below. Tell me what you guys think about this hair. Which one is your favorite? Do you like the Jenna, or do you like the AMANI, like the one I have here? I'll see you all in my next one. Do have yourself a fabulous day ahead. Bye, guys.